Patrick and Dylan at Pals. We've got the Alfa Romeo in the shop today. And Dylan, this car didn't run when it came in, right?
No, it had no spark coming out of the distributor.
Had no spark coming out of the distributor, and you've got the old distributor here.
Yep.
Now, originally, this car would have had a points distributor in it, right?
Dual points.
Dual point distributor. And what has been done here? Because this isn't factory. This is not Alfa Romeo.
This is aftermarket ignition control module for this style distributor. Didn't go with the points.
So this one has got a module,
yep, and
a distributor that eliminates the points. It's got a reluctor in it, but it relies on the module to tell it when to spark, right?
Yep.
All right, now you're replacing that today with a different style distributor. This is called a ready-to-run distributor, and we've already got it in the car. Now that's got a reluctor in it, and it's got the box is actually built into the distributor. So it's ready to run once you get it wired up. Now, that involves putting in a different coil too, right?
Yeah,
and rewiring it.
Put a matching coil in it.
Okay.
So here's the type of distributor we're using.
Uh-huh.
And a matching coil to go with.
And these are a little bit easier to use for a street-driven car. You know, the boxes sound neat, and they actually give you more power at the drag strip. But when you're on the street, it's much easier to have a ready-to-run distributor and a proper coil rather than put in the ignition box and the distributor. It's much less complicated. The user, the end consumer, gets a much better end result with this. But
instead of having the module, you basically just run these two wires back to the coil, and that's what runs the distributor. So you don't have a module or anything else getting in the way.
So sometimes people get too sophisticated with these cars, and they create more problems than they solve. We're going to simplify, and this car will run just fine, do everything that it's supposed to do, but you won't have the problem of setting points. If you've got an Alfa Romeo, bring it to Pals. See you soon.